We're going up no, sa train station, MRT station here. Even yun no? It's the waiting area. And more developed na version ng Philippines na developed na version. So these are the stations. Directions. So we have a guide from Jensen, Dr. Tinaya. We're going to Chatsasak. What is unique about yung station na to? Branding, no? Galaxy Station. Just outside yung Siam Paragon. You have left side. Saan papunta to? Ito yung left side. These are the directions. Kami naman is right side. Ayan. Yung mga nakalinya. Everything is Galaxy dito kasi yung sponsor ng station is Galaxy. Galaxy Station just outside Siam Center. Kanina they have what they call that current exchange money changer. Kabilang side, no? Going right side, going left side. This is MRT 114. Kami naman is we're entering MRT. Saan to? Exit. Punuan. Wow. Grabe. At pasok muna kami. Daming lumalabas. Okay. The train is being empty. Okay, papasok muna kami dito. Okay.